video, and today we're in Walmart. Pretty random, but this also is going to be an unboxing. So you know, I'm actually gonna pause this for a few minutes just so that we get through the store and all that, and I'll meet you guys outside. Alright, just wait. Hi, can I get your barbecue chicken? Medium. Alright, what else do I want to get? We've got all this delicious stuff. Alright, I'll see you guys in a second. Alright, we're back. Look at that. Bye. Alright, what's up, guys? We're back. Thank you, Dad. My mom doesn't want to be in it. He doesn't like it. Right, Mom? Sure. She'll wave her hand, that's it. She doesn't like her face in it. She's weird. There's Dad. Zoom! Oh, it's not ready for this mode. Wish it was. I could just zoom. It says, hold up. Zoom's not supported for this mode. Yeah, that kind of sucks. Where are we going? Alright, this way, I guess. I'll see you guys in the car. Alright, what's up, guys? Welcome back. And, we're gonna unbox this now. It'll be real quick. This thing already fell out, so why don't we just unbox this first? Alright. If I can open this. Boom! Opened. Them skills. Alright. Let's go ahead, completely open this. Comes with a little instruction. And there is part of the guide. I have no clue who we got. Oh, we got Orange Guy. So we either got him or him. I have no clue at all. But I'm going to leave this in there. Or, no, the smart thing would just to be build it so that I don't lose any pieces. But, yeah.
Oh. Brianna did come.
Alright. There we go.
My key.
I know.
Let's, figure out how to put this together.
Yeah.
Buckle.
My phone's probably gonna fall, but I just punched myself with the seatbelt thing. I have to leave that in there. Where did I put that? I'm blind. Oh, I lost it. I'm bad. Alright, let's just put this all back in there. Because, wow. Hey, my phone's actually staying. I'm surprised. It's gonna be super shaky though. And I already know who I got right now. I think I just dropped a few pieces. It'll be fine though. No worry. Alright. Place all this in the box. Alright. Oh shoot, there goes my phone. Yeah, finally my phone fell. Figure out how we do this. There. Alright. Let's go ahead, pop this open. Oh yeah. So, it's an open face style box. It says that it has It's on fire with 6 darts. And then on the back, we have a tactical rail on the top. We have our slam fire, pull back, a rotating barrel. I mean, all that good stuff. You could, if you can, you probably can't read that. But yeah, it's got 6 darts. So let's go ahead and pop this open. I haven't really opened a real open face style box. They've all really been open when I've got. Handle now. There's the stronger part. There we go. That's nice. How do you just flip it out? Okay. Alright. And then it comes with your 6 darts down here. So go ahead and pop that open. Okay, I didn't lose any. I don't know what cover. Alright, let's pop this out. I need to get used to popping that out now. Alright, I need to put this back. Right, so let's just load this guy up. I'm not gonna shoot it though, so sadly. I'm in a car. Who shoots Nerf guns in cars? I definitely don't. And I don't want to. Alright, so there we go. It's a nice gun. Where's my phone at? Ah! Nice gun. I've seen good reports on it, stuff like that. But that was my vlog / unboxing. Make sure you guys smash that 11 and subscribe for more content, and I'll see you guys next time.